चीफ इंजीनियर फैसलाबाद जोन फैसलाबाद was requested to furnish the above said information via letter dated full stop. In response thereof, Chief Engineer Irrigation, Faisalabad Zone Faisalabad has stated that Superintending Engineer, Drainage Circle, Faisalabad has submitted the following requisite information in respect of Mr. Noman Khan, sub-engineer working in drainage division Faisalabad, full stop. In view of the above, if agreed with, assistant director, regional passport office may be requested to provide passport facility to Mr. Noman Khan, sub-engineer office of Axian Drainage Division Faisalabad, mentioning as government employee, full stop. Chief Engineer Irrigation Bahawalpur Zone has submitted that there is acute shortage of revenue staff, therefore the government work is suffering badly, full stop. He further submitted that the role of revenue establishment in preparation of cases, services of notices under section is inseparable, full stop. Now he has sought advice regarding recruitment of revenue establishment including ziladars / canal patwaris in Bahawalpur irrigation zone Bahawalpur, full stop. In this context, it is submitted that Government of the Punjab has imposed ban on fresh recruitment, full stop. Hence the request of Chief Engineer at this stage cannot be accorded to, full stop. If agreed to, Chief Engineer Irrigation, Bahawalpur Zone may be informed accordingly, full stop. Mr. Latif, Dark Runner, Office of Tubewell Operation Division, has requested for his attachment with the Canal Division, East due to domestic affairs, full stop. Paragraph. Both the executive engineers have furnished NOC in his favor, which may kindly be seen at page 1, full stop. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent statement violates all United Nations and international charters against non-interference in internal affairs of other countries, Foreign Secretary said in an interview with Dawn on Saturday, full stop. Pakistan's ambassador to Washington, believes that Mr. Modi's statement shows Indians' nervousness with the situation in held Kashmir, full stop. Responding to Mr. Modi's address in Kerala on Saturday, the two diplomats said several UN resolutions recognized Pakistan as a party to the Kashmir